Hello everyone! Today we're going to draw and color a family. Let's start drawing. First, let's draw the dad. I draw his face, his eyes, nose, mouth, he wears a shirt, and I draw his legs and shoes. Next to her, I draw a girl. I draw a nice dress for her too. Next to her, I drew her brother. He wears a shirt, finally, let's draw the mom's face. She's wearing a cute dress. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. I use cream for her skin. Dark green. Blue. I finish coloring with red. Good job! See you in the next video.